Hello my dear students, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 9, mass. Now what do you mean by mass? Mass is a measurement of how much matter is in an object. In everyday life, we usually compare the mass of different objects. We can compare the mass of two things by holding or lifting the object with our hands and find out which object is heavier or lighter. See the one example. Suppose in one hand we hold pencil and in second hand we holding a book. Now children, tell me which object is heavier and which object is lighter. But obvious, pencil is lighter and book is heavier. We can say that book is heavier than the pencil. But everything we can hold in our hand and this type of measurement are not accurate. They are just a rough estimate. For that, we need to use a suitable units to measure a mass of object. There are two units, gram and kilogram. Gram is used to measure the weight or mass of very light objects like eraser, leaf, key, balloon, crayon, paintbrush, pencil, feather. All objects are smaller in weight. Gram is written as G. A kilogram. Kilogram is used to measure a weight or mass of very heavier objects like elephant, helicopter, bus, whale, watermelon, gas cylinder. All objects are in heavy weight. Kilogram is written as kg. Measuring the mass also known as weighting the object. We use a different weighting scales or weighting machine to weigh the objects. When two objects' weights are equal, two pens of the weighting scales are said to be a balance and stay at the equal level. And when the object heavy and one object is lighter, the pen with the heavier object goes down. The pen with the lighter object goes up. Now come on page number 114, revise exercise. Question 1. Circle the heavier object in each pair. Number A, pumpkin and onion. So pumpkin is heavier than the onion. So circle on that. Number B, ice cream and toffee. So ice cream is heavier than the toffee. So circle on the ice cream. Number C, bicycle and car. So car is heavier than the bicycle. Question 2. Match, then look at the pictures and put a tick mark in the correct box. So elephant, feather, bird, tiger, cat and dog. So feather. So feather is lightest, bird is lighter and cat is light. Heavy, heavier and heaviest. Here you can observe that the elephant is heaviest, then tiger is heavier and dog is heavy. So match with it. Number A. What is lighter than the bird? So, cat or feather? But obvious, feather. What is heavier than the dog? Cat or tiger? Yes, tiger. Is the tiger is heaviest? Yes or no? No, because elephant is the heaviest in weight. Is the feather lightest? Yes or no? Yes. Question 3. Look at the balancing scales and put a tick mark against the heavier object. Pineapple and apple. Which is heavier? Yes, pineapple. Comb and brush. Which is heavier? Brush. Book and pencil. Which is heavier? Book. So tick mark on book. Measuring a mass. Let's explain through one example. In a pan, one side is watermelon and one side is tomato. Watermelon said, I am heavy, so I am going down. Tomato says, I am moving up because I am a lighter. In second pan, ball and marble is put. So, ball and marble are placed two sides of balancing scale. We see that the ball goes down, so it is heavier, and marble is moving up, so it is lighter. So, pan carrying a heavier object moves down and pan carrying a lighter object moves up. If we keep adding marbles until the two pans of balancing scale are at the same level, then we can say that the ball and marbles weight the same now. The standard unit of mass is gram and kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, half kilogram is equal to 500 grams, quarter kilogram is equal to 250 grams. Shopkeeper uses a weighting scales to measure a mass or different objects. There are the different masses which can be used to find a mass of what we buy, like a 50 gram, 100 gram, 200 gram, 50 gram, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 10 kilogram and 20 kilogram. How much does this book weight? For balancing a pan, we use a 500 gram mass. So the book weight is 500 gram. Strawberry weight. For balancing this strawberry, we use a 100 gram mass. So strawberry weight is 100 gram. Exercise 9.1. Question 1. Are these objects light or heavy? Decide whether you would weigh them in gram or kilogram. Put a tick mark in the correct box. Paper clip. So it is light and we measure it in gram. A packet of crayons. Crayons, it is light or heavy? Yes. It is light and we measure it in a gram. Car. Car is heavy and we measure weight of car in kilogram. A tennis ball. It is light and we measure it in gram. A bar of chocolate. So chocolate is light and we measure it in gram. A cooking gas cylinder. It is heavy. We cannot carry it. So, and we measure it in kilogram. A school bus. We can carry it? No. So, school bus is heavy and the mass of school bus we measure in a kilogram. Here I am attaching a PDF file. You have to write down from the PDF. Bye bye students. Take care.